Hello lang, Don. So, this is a memory game.
Yes.
When you choose the correct letter, you have to open them in pairs and then tell me the letter and then the sound, okay?
I'm moving this.
What letter is that?
I.
What's the sound? What's the sound of I?
E.
Okay.
O.
Can you find the second letter O?
O.
Is that O? No. Ibalik mo, baby. Put it back. If it's not letter O. Look for letter O. Okay, what's the sound of O?
O.
Very good. What's the sound of U?
E. O.
Very good. Okay, another A.
A.
Very good.
And then this. A.
Baliktad, baby, baliktad. Put it like that. Okay. And then,
E.
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 E for E. What's the sound of E? What's the sound of E, baby?
Tide.
What sound start with what word start with letter E? E. Egg. Ano pa?
Egg.
Ano pa?
Eggplant. Eggplant. I'm an eggplant.
You're an
Yum,
eggplant.
yum, 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 yum.
So these are all vowels or patinig.
Or poo-poo.
Maybe A. Say A. E. I. 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 O. U.